This is ONEPLUS Nord CE3 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can bypass or turn off parental controls on this device. So if you would like to disable parental controls on your phone without having to grant any parental permission or authorization, you will simply need to launch Settings, then enter the Google category, tap at the parental controls, manage your Google account button. Then, once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, open Data and Privacy section, scroll it all the way down, and tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, at the following page, you will need to, prior to getting to the following page, you will need to input your, as a child, your Google account's password. So let me quickly do that. Then hit the Next button. Onwards at the Delete Your Google Account page, check two boxes you have at the very bottom, tap at the Delete Account button, and at this point the parental controls should have been already successfully deactivated. If the synchronization took place and everything was synchronized correctly, and if I'll open the Google category, as you can see, there is no Google account linked anymore. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the last thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account we have just deleted, so it will not disappear or go in vain. So it can be recovered by simply logging in or signing into any Google app or service with said account. In my case, I'll just go with Google Play Store. After you input the email address, you should get the following message. That's completely fine. Just hit the Next button and enter the Google account password. Then 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong message. If that's true in your case, you will need to simply re-enter the credentials, and usually the second time around it allows you to proceed with the sign-in. In my case, I'm lucky this time, since I've got those 1 out of 10 cases that I can just log into the account first try. And as you can see, the Google account was successfully recovered. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.